Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you need to find where the fuse for the engine starter is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. If you guys know the engine starter, we have a video how to replace that. Okay, how to replace engine starter. It will be on our channel, but first thing I'll recommend to check fuses. We'll recommend to test the fuse. We'll explain why, and if you still have problems with the engine starter, we'll explain what else could be causing the problem. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So now this is a 3.6 Chrysler 300 engine. This is the V6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. Even if you have the V8 engine, this is the fuse box that you will have here. You have one notch on this side, one on this, squished over to each other, pull up, flip on the side, and what you have here now, guys, these are the fuses, okay, and the relays that you have specifically here. You can see fuses and relays. The fuse that you will need to check, it's known as fuse number 4 for the engine starter, and this is actually the third fuse from left to right. One, two, three. That fuse, 30 amp fuse, that's for the engine starter. That's very important fuse. Now, it's always a good idea to test these fuses because sometimes you cannot tell if they're burnt or not, and if you want to be 100% sure that they're good, test them. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test them, because if you don't test them and you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, when you have problems with the Chrysler not starting, that can cost you quite a bit of time and money, guys. So always test them. It's really easy. Check the video and it will teach you how to do that. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses at a good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. Now, something else. If you still have problems with the engine starter not working, we guys have a special video that's called Why Chrysler 300 Does Not Crank. Okay, and it will teach you what else can cause that, because it could be multiple things, something that's not actually related to engine starter. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.